Hello, hello. Welcome back to the Daily English Podcast. I am Corey.
And I am Orus. Hello, everyone. We are so happy you are here today.
And today is a special episode, Orus.
Why special? Tell me.
Because today we are talking about something that can truly change your life. We are talking about waking up and taking control.
Oh, that sounds serious.
It is serious, but we will also learn real English today. Useful words, real phrases, things you can use tomorrow morning.
I love that. So everyone get comfortable. Maybe sit up a little straight. Get your notebook if you have one.
Yes, write things down. Writing helps you remember. And if you are new here, welcome to the Daily English Podcast. This is a safe place to learn. We go slow. We explain everything clearly.
Always. No stress here. We are like your two English-speaking friends.
Friendly friends. And before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us reach more learners like you.
Yes, and share it with one friend who wants to improve their English. One share can change someone's day.
Okay, Orus, let's go. Let's talk about the morning.
The morning. Corey, what time do you wake up?
Early, but honestly, I was not always a morning person. I used to wake up and immediately check my phone. Scroll, scroll, scroll.
Oh yes, I know that habit. You open your eyes and the phone is already in your hand.
Exactly. And before you know it, 30 minutes are gone. The day is already escaping.
Escaping. That is a good word. What does escaping mean?
Escaping means running away, like a prisoner escaping from jail. But here, the time is running away from you. And once it escapes, it does not come back.
You cannot get that hour back, ever.
Never. So, this brings us to our first key phrase today. Listen carefully, everyone. The phrase is, take control.
Take control. Say it with us. Take control.
Take means to grab something. Control means to be the boss. So take control means become the boss of your own life.
The boss of your own life. I like that. Can you give an example?
Yes, I want to take control of my mornings. That means I decide what I do in the morning. Not my phone, not social media, me.
Another example, she decided to take control of her health. She stopped waiting and started acting.
Perfect. Take control always means you are choosing action. You are choosing to be in charge.
In charge. That means you are the responsible person, the leader.
The pilot is in charge of the plane. The chef is in charge of the kitchen. And you should be in charge of your own day.
But some people feel like they cannot be in charge. Life feels too big, too difficult.
That feeling is real, but here's the truth. You always have a choice. Even small choices matter.
Small choices. Like what?
Like waking up 10 minutes earlier, like drinking water before coffee, like reading one page of a book instead of opening social media.
Those sound very small.
They are small, but they add up. And that's our second key phrase. It adds up.
It adds up. Say it. It adds up. This means small things become big things over time.
For example, I save a little money every day. It adds up. After 1 year, you have a lot of money.
Or I learn 5 new words every day. It adds up. After 1 year, you know almost 2,000 words.
2,000 words from just 5 a day. That's the power of it adds up.
Okay, starting today, 5 words a day.
Starting today, not Monday, not next month, today.
You sound like a life coach, Corey.
Maybe that's my second job, but I mean it. The people who change their lives never wait for the perfect moment. They start with an imperfect action.
Imperfect action. Explain that.
It means don't wait until you feel ready. You will never feel completely ready. Start anyway, even if it's messy, even if it's not perfect.
I remember when I started learning English, my pronunciation was really terrible.
Really?
Really. But I kept going, every day a little bit, and now here I am on a podcast.
And that's the proof. You did not wait for perfect English to start practicing. You practiced and your English got better. Which brings us to our third phrase. Practice makes progress.
Practice makes progress. Not practice makes perfect. Practice makes progress.
Because perfect is impossible, but progress is real. Progress means you are better than yesterday.
Better than yesterday. Not better than a stranger online, just better than who you were yesterday.
That's the only competition that matters.
Okay, let's go a little deeper. We talked about taking control and small choices. Now let's talk about something many people avoid.
What's that?
Discipline.
Ah, that word makes some people uncomfortable.
Because it sounds hard, strict, like a military school.
But discipline doesn't have to be scary. Simply, discipline means doing what you need to do, even when you don't feel like it.
Even when you don't feel like it. That's the important part.
Yes, it's easy to study when you're excited. It's easy to exercise when you feel good. But discipline is doing it on the tired days, the hard days, the I just want to sit on the sofa days.
I know those days very well.
We all do. But here's the secret. Discipline gets easier over time. When you do something every day, it becomes a habit. And habits don't need willpower.
Willpower. What is willpower?
Willpower is like a muscle in your brain. It's the power to say no to bad things and yes to good things. But it gets tired.
Like a real muscle. If I use my arm too much, it gets tired and weak.
Exactly. Your willpower gets tired too. So if you fight yourself every morning, should I wake up? Should I study? Should I exercise? You use up your willpower very fast.
So the solution is to make good things automatic, make them a habit.
Yes. If it's a habit, your body just does it, like brushing your teeth. You don't debate it every morning, you just do it.
So we want good choices to feel that natural.
Exactly. And how do you build that habit? Small steps. Every day. It adds up.
There it is again. It adds up.
The most important phrase of today. And now, our last phrase. Are you ready?
Ready.
Your future self will thank you.
Your future self will thank you. Oh, that is so powerful.
It means the good things you do today, your future self, the person you are in 1 year, will be grateful for.
So if I study English for 30 minutes today, my future self will thank me.
Because that future Orus will speak better English, will have more confidence, more opportunities.
And if I don't study today, my future self will be a little disappointed.
A little. So make good choices today, not for today's feelings, for tomorrow's results.
For tomorrow's results. I also want to say something, and this is personal for me. When the road is hard, when nothing seems to work, don't forget to trust God. Have faith.
Yes, faith is important. There will be hard days, days when your willpower is gone and your motivation is low. And in those moments, faith gives you something deeper, something that keeps you going.
It gives you peace, and peace gives you strength to keep moving.
Trust God. Take small steps, stay disciplined. Your future self will thank you for every good choice you make today.
Okay, everyone, time for the recap. Let's review our key phrases together.
Yes, repetition is how we really learn, so let's go.
Phrase 1, take control. Be the boss of your own life. I want to take control of my mornings.
Phrase 2, it adds up. Small things become big things over time. I learn 5 words every day. It adds up.
Phrase 3, practice makes progress. Not perfect, progress. My English is getting better every day.
Word 4, discipline. Doing what you must, even when you don't want to. I study even when I'm tired.
And phrase 5, your future self will thank you. Good choices today make a better tomorrow. I will sleep early tonight. My future self will thank me.
5 phrases, all real, all useful. Write them down, say them out loud.
Homework. Every morning say, I take control. I am disciplined. My future self will thank me.
Say it like you mean it, because you do.
We are proud of you. We really mean that.
Now, community question time. The question today is, what is the first thing you do in the morning? Check your phone, drink coffee, pray, exercise?
Tell us in the comments below. We read every single one. You might even hear your answer in the next episode.
Bonus question. After today, what is one small thing you will change tomorrow morning? Just one small thing. Tell us.
One small change, that's all we're asking. And remember, it adds up.
If today's episode helped you, please press the like button. It takes 1 second, but it means so much to us.
Subscribe to the Daily English Podcast so you never miss a new episode. And share this with someone who needs a little push today.
You might help someone without even knowing it.
Okay, Corey, I think it's time to go take control of our day.
I'm ready. No more waiting, no more I'll start Monday. Start now.
Your future self is watching, and they are already proud of you for listening today.
Thank you so much, everyone, from the bottom of our hearts for spending this time with us at the Daily English Podcast.
Until next time, stay curious
Stay brave.
and keep going. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye for now.